Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm doing a makeup look with a Lethal Cosmetics custom palette. I had this made a few years ago, and it is beautiful. So if you ever wonder what kind of custom palette I would make, this is it. Look at that. Neutrals, warm berries, reds, a little iridescence going on, some greens. It's very cool. So I'm probably going to go with a more neutral look because that's kind of what's in season right now. It's neutral looks. And I forgot to wear my fancy new teeth. It's all right. They come in and out. So I'm going to go into this color here, which I don't know the name of. It's on the back of it. I'm going to do a crease. And I just cannot complain about Lethal Cosmetics. It is just high quality, German precision. We love it. We love it so much. And it goes on like butter. I got this a couple years ago and I'm just still loving it. I haven't used it in probably 2 years, but the quality is still there. So neutral it is. A neutral honey cut. I don't know where that came from. But anyway, things have been going good. You can see my crutches still in the corner. So I'm still on crutches. I got a knee shot last week because my knee has been unbearable most of the time. And I was able to get a steroid shot last week, and it was nice enough that it's really pretty. It was a nice enough shot that it took a while to work, but when it worked, it's been like wonderful. And I'm super excited about it. I'm able to drive again. I'm still on the crutches, but I'm mobile, which is great because it's really hard to ask people for help. And I'm sure you know what that's like. We all have to ask for help sometimes. Sometimes it's a big favor, sometimes a little favor. But it's hard. It's hard to be in need. That's looking really pretty. And put a little more over here. It's a nice little cranberry color. I've altered my decision. I'm going to go into this iridescent color for my lid. It's just so beautiful. And it really perks everything right up. Perk it up. Perk it up, baby. Perk it up. Don't mean maybe. A little bit more. It blends in really nice with that. And it makes my green eyes pop. Pop, 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 pop. I feel like it's missing something. What am I missing? I think I'm going to go with another lighter neutral color here. This kind of vanilla color. I'm just going to put that at the top there. Oh, it's terrible. I'm ruining this look. Let's get a blending brush and see if we can save this. Save me from myself and my bad decisions. It's weird looking. But I'm going to put some eyeliner on it and make a go of it. It's still nice and hot outside. It is September. We had a really nice cool week last week when didn't have anything to do. I'm getting ready to go to a nighttime doctor's appointment. I know, isn't that weird? My doctor keeps evening hours. She only works Monday and Tuesdays. So I have a 6 o'clock appointment. I'm going to right after I get done doing this. Just for some general help. Follow up on some stuff. You know, general practitioner kind of stuff. And I'm going to use some, that was a Stila Stale Day double-ended eyeliner, and this is IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I got a kit to tint and perm my own lashes, do a lift and a tint. I'm really excited about it. I think I'm going to have a friend help me because I get shaky. But I think a lift and a tint to my lashes will really make a big difference. My lashes are pretty straight and boring. I ruined them by getting lash extensions. I'm just dealing with the fallout still. And it's been 4 years. My lashes are there, but they're not great. You know, they're not great lashes. I'm gonna put a nice nude lipstick on, and this is number 65, Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink Seductress. I saw some of those kits on Instagram or TikTok or something, and I just ordered some from Amazon. We'll see how it goes. Maybe we'll do a video. I don't know. But I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. This was my custom palette. I hope that you've enjoyed my time with you, because I've enjoyed my time with you. And I will see you soon.